morning, it's Thursday, July 19th, 2018. This is Gardening with Larry. And here's my garden this morning, early morning. You're seeing a lot of yellow in my garden now. I've transitioned from the green growing plants, which I've enjoyed, now to what it's all about is the flowers. And somebody wants to say hi this morning. Say hi, Millie. Say hi. So that's what it's all about. Here's one of my east side plants. How beautiful is this? I'm becoming overwhelmed, I think, with the beauty of this garden. Here's another one coming out this morning. Good morning. These guys are getting a little bit of yellow. That means they're getting ready to come out. There's another one back here. They're just coming up all over the place. Here's one of the ones I was measuring. He's getting yellow too. Look at this. The bees are already active this morning on this one. This is one of my pretty ones. Had big bumblebees out here. Oh, just the bumblebees love this stuff. Here's another one. It's opening up. Pretty, pretty. All these are got yellow on them. They're gonna all be open in a couple of days. Look at the beauty. Look at this guy, it's perfect. That's a perfect plant. I love when they get ready to open up, it's like they have their hands across their eyes. See that? Look at this, as the sun comes up. Look at the beauty of the yellow. This is one of my most perfect ones here. Is this good or what? Look at these guys. They're talking to me, they're talking to me. Here's my old grandpa one was my purple plant. It's already flowered, but he's looking pretty good. He's just got his head down a bit. I love this guy. Right here. It's beautiful. My array of sunflowers. What can I say? My array, my beautiful array of sunflowers. There's a beautiful one right there. Are you catching this? Are you seeing it? Beautiful, baby. There's another one up there, getting ready to open up. My giants of the sky. And there's my tall guy back there. Here's another one. Some more of my flowers on the west side of the garden today. This is the sunny side of my garden, which you don't see as much, but this is one of my sunny side plants getting ready to bloom, ready to flower. And you can see the yellow coming out. And probably a couple more days it'll be out, but this is where Sunny grew last year. East side plant. It's beautiful. Good morning. So there you have it, my garden update for Thursday, July 19th. It's been over 2 months since I planted this garden, and if you've been watching these updates, it started with a lot of dirt, like I said, and a lot of hope. And it's been such a blessing watching these flowers now begin to bloom and to grow, and you can see the beauty back here of all these yellow sunflowers that I love so much, and I hope they bring you a lot of joy too, and maybe you can share them with somebody. This is Gardening with Larry. Stay tuned as we continue with our flowers. I miss measuring my plants. By the way, that tallest one, the last update I did 100 inches, it was 106 inches. I think 3 days ago I measured it in halves. So it might be a bit taller now, and I've still got my sunny side over here getting ready to bloom. When it does, I'll let you know. So thanks for watching.